Hello, good evening here in Philippines. I want to say thank you for those who are supporting always, either in my videos, short videos and my live. Mostly, I do live every day, so I want to say thanks to those who are visiting always. Deep in my heart, I appreciate that you stay even in two hours or 1 hour. I do live, but you are there. You are always staying and listening my singing. Yeah. I want to say thank you and more blessings upon you all, guys. And I do my best to play your videos, especially to those who are not monetized and they need their watch hours. So this is my part to respond your goodness to me, especially to those who are given their blessings. Super chatter, you know that I appreciate on that, and like what I say, God knows and God bless you. You are doing, and God will repay on that. And I know you receive a blessings on the heaven. So I want to say thank you, and I always invite you to visit my daily life if you have time, not a force, but if you have a free time. Uh, so I appreciate and welcome to my new subscribers, new family here in my YouTube channel, Mar channel. So welcome you guys, my newcomers, and I hope that you enjoy every day I doing live, and especially once a week I do gospel music, Christian songs. Even in Sunday here in Philippines, I'm singing Christian songs, and with my co-host Sir Bruce, we are doing Sunday afternoon in the USA time, I think, in the place of Sir Bruce, Michigan. You can do connect him also. He's a good man. He's a singer and a good man. I appreciate what he is doing into my channel also. Uh, every Monday here in Philippines, that it's depend on the situation here because of the weather. If if a good weather, so I do live early. But if not, I do not live. So Sir Bruce, deep in my heart, I appreciate what you are doing into my community, in my life, in my channel. And I'm sorry that I can join you in your live stream, but you know that I'm always supporting you. So thank you so much, Sir Bruce. God knows everything what you are doing. So continue being a good man, being a good friend in mine. I want to say thanks to my friends. They are uh, old in my channel. Ma'am Rocky Mountain Rudy, thank you so much, Mom. I appreciate what you are doing in my YouTube, and thank you for the love that you gave unto me and to my YouTube channel. I want to say bless your family. God bless your family, your husband, your grandsons, and everyone in your family. God will protect you always. Auntie praise to him. Yeah, thank you so much, Auntie praise, that you also, even though you have uh, you have a team, but if you have time, no, you are visiting my life, and I try my best to sing your mostly requested. Rusty Bucket, brother, I salute you. Thank you so much. I know you are always listening with me. Thank you, and God bless you, sir. My brother. Oh, you know that we love you, sir Rusty, and keep safe always wherever you are. God knows in your life. So, and to those I cannot mention you guys, but Carnivore Joys, yeah, Rosalie Crafts and more, and Shanster, yeah, to my friend also, Rose, Mom Rose and Logan, thank you so much for always supporting Star, Mom Star, and Retirement Days, yeah, they are also supporting, and to my outdoor life, outdoor wildlife, so yeah, he, the content is sell a bird. So thank you so much, Home Loan, Rami Chan, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So I wanna say Maxi, Mazi Mactabes. Thank you so much, Mom, for always supporting also in my YouTube channel and you sharing your blessings. Thank you. I appreciate that. God bless you. So, I wanna say bye bye. This is my this is an evening here in Philippines. I think 7:26. I'm playing right now of Mom Carnivore Joyce. So after this, I will play also Mom Rocky Roti. So thank you so much. Hope uh, if God's willing, you still here, and I see you someday, if God's willing. So bye bye. Good night here in Philippines, and good morning wherever you are. God bless. This is your friend, Mark Channel. Thank you.